Okay, guys, being here. Today, let's do a little experiment. Okay, so we're going to model a family. So this is it. A massing parametric massing family. So which one? This one. So we will be able to adjust the rotation angle of this. So for example, 45 degrees, 60, and also we can change the height. Oh, sorry, 3 meters. It's too low. 30 meter. Is that 30 or 300? Yeah, and also the width. And with this massing, and then we can. So, for example, you can place a curtain system on it, so to create some kind of curtain walls. Okay, or you can also use wall by face and create some wall like this. Okay, so because we all know that the rotation when we create a sweep, it's in Revit. It's a little bit. Sometimes it won't work because I'll just try. So I'll show you. So if I turn 90 degrees, so see this. So sometimes this happens, and it's yeah. But let's try. Let's. So that's why I call it experiment. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first, I'm going to create a. Let's just change this to detail. Create adaptive family because this is a massing environment. Okay, so the reason why I use adaptive because if potentially we can make it instead of go up vertical, we can also make it any direction. You can even make it add multiple adaptive points and create some interesting shape. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'll just place up one point. Okay, so I'll make it adaptive. Oh, actually, no, Control Z. So for now we don't really need. Okay, so but to make it easier, I'll just show the work plan of this point, so it's a little bit easier when we try to place stuff on this point. Okay, so now then place another point, draw on work plan, set work plan, pick this horizontal work plan, and then place this point on this point. So you will see this warning, which means it's correct. Okay, so now we have 2 points. So try to pick the point without the work plan. So this one's the one with work plan, and if you move your cursor here, so this is the second point we did. So drag this up, and now you will see here this is the offset. So we can create a parameter. So this can be the height of. So imagine that's a building. So this will be the building height. Let's make it instance. And okay. So now if we select these 2 points, so Control select and create a spline and make it a reference line. So this will be a path of our massing. Okay. So now we need to place some point. So I'll just place one point and use draw on face and place it on this reference line anywhere for now. Okay, so I'll just place it here, and then so see this work plan. So we are going to place a profile on this work plan. So you can also turn on this one. So change this to should always show. So you can always see this work plan. Now let's place a reference. So we're going to draw rectangle. Okay, so draw work plan, set work plan, pick this work plan and draw a rectangle. A square shape. Okay, so now the next step is we need to place some dimension. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll just try to see. Looks like we maybe I can drag this point to the point this point and create this dimension. Okay, and then this one, tab, select, and see it's here. So drag this point back onto this reference point and create this. So the reason why we do it this way is sometimes, so for example, if I do a dimension di, this, and this point, and sometimes the equal won't work. See, so it's easier to place two dimension and select both of them and create a parameter. So just remember, so this will be the half of this width. So let's just call it W width half, and I'll use instance and OK. And then we just need to create another dimension. So I'll just, another parameter. Let's call it width instance. OK. And then we just need to put a formula in this half width. So equals width divided by 2. And OK. Before that, let's cancel this because currently it's 0. I'll just type this one to maybe 20 meter maybe. Okay, so apply. Oh, that's too big. 5 meter. Apply. Okay. So so now we just need to select this one. So tab. So select individual reference line. Drag this to this point. Create this dimension. Tab. Select this one. Drag this to this point. Create this dimension. Select this one. Control select. And link this to the half width. So now we have a square box profile. Okay, so this is it. So this is one of the profile. So what I'm going to do now is select all these. So reference line, the point, this point, and also all these dimensions. Okay, so everything selected, CC, copy, and just copy it anywhere. So I'll just copy it to here, and then we can just select the new point, pick new host, and place it onto this reference line again. So now we have two profile. So you can create a sweep from two profile. So for example, if I can select this one, and create a form, and then so because we want to twist this form, so you can select this point. So see this rotation angle. So we can create a rotation angle. So I'll just call this first A1 instance. And OK, and go select this one, tab, so yeah, this point, and we can create another one. So this one, let's call it A2 instance. OK and OK. So now if I go to family types and type in, so I'll keep A1 as 0 degree, and if I type in this 45 degree, so you can already see this rotation that's happening now. But the issue is, let me just drag this up to the top. And this one, so I'll change this one to always. So it will be easier for us to grab this point. So I'll just move it down to this one. So now we can see this is a twisted mass. It looks okay. The issue is if I change this one, so currently it's 0 to 45, and if I change this one to 90, still okay. Let me try. Maybe 145, 180. Okay, so you will see it won't work because I think that's too much, and then it will the face intersect with other face, and then just it's just breaks this form. So okay, so what we need to do is, so let me just change this back to 0 degree. Okay, so I'm going to delete this form. So let's try to place another point in the middle. Okay, so currently this one's A1, so 0.1, so rotation angle A1. This one's A2, so maybe I'll just move this back into the middle. So I'll just type in 0.5, so it will go to the middle of this reference line. And I'm going to just drag this back a little bit so I can select everything here. I'll just copy another one. Okay, so and then select this point, pick new host. So now we have 3. Okay, 3. And then I'll also show the world plan of this point, so it's easier for us to drag this point. So now we have 3 reference lines. So let's select them, 1, 2, 3, and create a form. So let's try again, but this time, so sorry, I forgot to add another rotation angle. So currently this one's still A2 because we copied this from this. Okay, so we just need to create a new one. So go A3 instance and OK. So OK. Now go to family types. So we have A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3. So let's try again. So last time we tried 180 degree, but it won't work. So this time we try this one 90 and this one 180. Apply. So now you will see it works. Okay. So and also because this angle will always in current situation, this angle will always be half of this one. So we can even do this A2 divided by 2. Okay, so we can only we can just use 1, 2. Oh, hang on, wrong one. So A3. So it will be A3 divided by 2. Yeah. So apply and OK. So now we can use only this A3 to control this shape. So let's have another try. So this time 225 will still work. Good. And 360 still work. It's almost broken. So maybe 300. It's not. Yeah, it's still working, but it's almost. It's not. I don't think this is. Yeah, it's not looking good. 240. So yeah, actually, so the what we can do is let's have a try, because sometimes it will be the result will be different when you try in family and in my work. But we're going to just create a project and then load this family into the project, then I'm try in the project. Okay, so let's do it. So go load into project. I'll just place it here and go to 3D view and select this. So I'm going to do what I'm going to do is first maybe I'll just change the size of this one as well. So currently it's of 6 meter. I'll just make it 30 meter. Okay, so it looks all right, but it looks like a twisted. It's been twisted a little bit too much here. These two two spot. Okay, so maybe we'll reduce this one. So it looks like okay. Maybe I'll try 90 degree. Okay, so it looks like we have some issue here. Change it to 0. Okay, 30 degree. Okay, 45, 80, and 89, and 90. Okay, so it looks like at some angle it's just it doesn't work well. So So what I'm thinking is maybe we can add more profile. Okay, so let's do it. So I'll delete this one, and I'll change the angle to 0. Okay, so 0. So now we have 3. So maybe we can add a couple more. Okay, so let's do it. CC 1, another one, 2. Select this point and pick new host, and this one as well. Pick new host, and then I'm going to select this one. So because this one will be 25%. Okay, so 0.05, and this one, oh, it goes here. Control Z. Let's change this one to 0.75, and this one will be 0.25. Okay. So, and then of course we need to add 2 more angle parameters. So this one's 1, I think. So this is 1, and maybe I'll just link this to 2. Okay, good. It's already 2, and I'll link this to 3, and I'll create another 2. Oops, sorry. Oops. I'll create a new one. So this one will be A4, and the last one will be A5. Okay, so now we're going to select these 5 profile, create this form, and I'm going to oh, sorry, I forgot a step. So let's go back to family types. We need to add some parameters to here. So 5, A5. So this one will be half. Will be 1. Let me think. It'll be 3 divided by 4 times A5. And this one will be half of A5. And this one will be 1/4 of times A5. So now we have all the parameters here. So if I type in, for example, 90 degrees, so you will see it will go all. Yep, I think that's good. So okay. Cannot be created. Okay, it looks like we still have some issue with the 90 degrees. So maybe let's try 91. So I think, yeah, that's some. It looks like we will always have some issue with the 90 degree, but it looks like it's more. I think it looks better than the 3 profile form. Okay, so let's load this into the project and have another test. Okay, so here I'll try from 45 degree, 75 degree, and 89 degree. 90 degree, I don't think it will work. See, it's still. Anyway, so let's try 89 degree. Yeah, maybe we have to skip that 90 degree. So I'll try 79. Looks okay. How about 180 degree? Doesn't work. So it looks like at some specific angle, Revit will give us some unexpected shape. So yeah, yeah, I'm not sure how to fix this, but yeah, if you know, please let me know. Oh, actually, let me try another one. I'll delete this one. I'll have another try, so see if this will work. So I'll select all these, because sometimes when we select the profile, and if we also select the path, it might make it a difference. So I'll just have another try. Okay, so I'll go to 3D view, Looks like it's the same. Okay, that's fine. So I think this one's it's I think this is it. So what we can how we can do with this massing is for example we can just change the size. Maybe I'll change this one to 91 degree. And then we have this massing, so I'll just 45 degree. Okay, so we have this massing, so as something like a building, so you can have multiple, you can have different size, 40 meter, so you can have this one 12 meter width, and you can create, so you can add some curtain wall, not curtain wall, curtain system. I don't think you can create curtain wall. Wall by face. Try this. No, doesn't work. So you have to use curtain system. Create a curtain system, and then with the curtain system, you can just set the curtain the mullions. So I'll just quickly Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, so now that's it. Maybe I'll change this. So currently it's horizontal. Change this to 12, 3 meter, apply. And okay, so something like this. Okay, so I'll just hide this HH. So that's curtain panels and curtain mullions. So this is you can use this for some concept buildings, right? And okay, so also you can use wall by face. Just create just normal solid wall. So I'll just pick a generic wall. So you can place solid wall onto this mass, and you can turn if you hide if you hide that, so you will only see the walls. Another one, I think you can also do roof by face. Roof by face only on the top. And what can we do? Probably not floor by mass. So that needs to be in mass environment. Okay, so let's go have a look. So this is because this is an adaptive family, so it's not a conceptual mass, so you can't do floor. So okay, so this is it. It looks like we at some degree, so it won't work, but yeah, we just need to add a little bit. So if not, it doesn't work, you try 89, 91. I'll just quickly change this family. So, and I'll make it for other use. So for example, you can select this one. So I'm going to just select these two. Oops. Select this one. And so these 2 points and make them adaptive. Okay, so don't worry about this because it looks like the shape is broken, but I'll just click on this one, delete. It's okay. We can just delete this one. We can do it later. I'll change this one to 0. Okay, so 0. Okay, so now we have 2 adaptive points. So which means when you place this adaptive family, hang on, what's going on? Looks like I picked the wrong one, so that's why. So let's go back, Control Z, and we need to, so not this one. So this is the point we have this profile on. I'll just move it away, okay, so a little bit. So this is the point we want to convert into adaptive point. So this one as well, I'll just drag this point up a little bit so we can, I think this one? I think this is the one. So make this adaptive and also make this adaptive. So which means when we place this adaptive family, so it's no longer a vertical, it's no longer a vertical one. And also this means we no longer need this height parameter. So I'll just delete this one because it doesn't mean anything now. So now we will create a straight line between this point and this point. So what I'm going to do is actually I want to add more points. So I'll just place another point, draw on face and on this reference line, and maybe another one. And then I'll select these 2 points and I'll click on this make point driving. And then still have these 2 points selected. Click on this make adaptive. So now we have, instead of 2, so we have 4 adaptive point. But just be careful. So this is point 1. I want to just change the number. So this one become a 2, this become 3, and this become 4. Okay, so now we can just select this. So now you will see it become. You can actually don't worry too much about the shape in here, because when you place it will change. But what we need to do is we need to maybe slightly reduce the width of this shape. Which one? This one. I'll make it 100. Apply and OK. So now let me just drag this up a little bit. So this 1.3, 0.2. So what we can do is we can make some interesting shape from this. Okay, so it looks like 100 is not big enough, but that's fine. We can change this in the project. Okay, so I'll drag this point to this end and also drag this point to this end. So now this is the new family. So we're going to place in the project. So let me just go back, change this one slightly, 500. Apply. Okay, so this is it. So now let's try this one. So load this into the project. Actually, I want to keep that one. So let me just change the family name before I load this. So I'll save as, and I'll just save it on just in here. Okay, so and load this into the project. So now we can place 1, 2, 3, 4 points and create this shape. Okay, so, and of course you can still select the point. So it's not 2-dimensional, it's 3-dimensional. You can just place it wherever you like. Okay, and then you can adjust the size. So for example, I make it 1 meter, and you can twist it, so you can try different angle. Probably now we can try 90 degree, or still looks like still it doesn't work. That's fine. We can try some larger numbers here, so 300, something like that. So now you will see. So we can create some quite interesting shape. So even maybe let me try something again. So another one. Okay, so and maybe this time I'll make this a building instead of, so make it 5-6 meter wide and even 10 meter wide. And then you can, so once you can play with the shape. right? And then you can place, so for example, a curtain system on this. So you can select, oh, can I select multiple? Yeah, control select, multiple face, create a system. Yeah. Hope it works. Looks like it would take some time. Yeah, all good. Yeah, so you can create some quite interesting geometry. And then once you're happy, so because you can always hide the mass. So usually in a project you can to hide a mass. That just maybe VVM go mass. It's already hidden, or is it? I'm not sure. Maybe it's already hidden. Because this is the adaptive family, so it's a generic model instead of a mass. But you can always EH hide it, and that's quite nice. Yeah, that's it. So okay, so let's recap. So we tried an adaptive family, so 2 points. So this is just 1 point with the height, and then it's a vertical twist a little bit, and we noticed that some angle doesn't work, some does. So, and also we tried to instead of have 2 point, not 2 points, instead of have a vertical, we we add some extra point and make them adaptive points, so we can create some interesting shape. And that's it. If you have any questions or any ideas, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.